Welcome to Millcreek Canyon. We finally got some snow in Salt Lake City, so we're looking for some snow shots today. I've got my friend Patrick with me. We're taking off and seeing what we can see with the snow on the ground before it melts. Flying from inside the vehicle a little bit. The place is super crowded today, so.
Oh, I'm on camera.
You were on camera. You're on candid camera. Make a nice face. So I've been filming with the phone and then screen recording and doing video with the drone, all three, to see if I can mix those together. We'll see if that makes anything like nice to look at or what with the edit, who knows. I like the mouth of Millcreek Canyon because of the rock spires and things there are with the snow on them and stuff. Those look nice. The light's not on them directly right now, though. Yeah, I'm trying to use the 70 millimeter to make it so that the valley looks a little more dramatic and compress the scene with the canyon in the foreground. I don't know if it'll work or not, but
you're in the 70 millimeter.
Give it a shot. Yeah, that's why I can't adjust the aperture, because the aperture is not adjustable on the 70 or the
big zoom. No,
the 160 is just too much. I don't know. I'll use that much at all. Probably more than on the 3 because it looks decent, but like it doesn't. It magnifies things almost too much. That's a nice shot right there, though. That's not bad. I'm looking kind of just back up against these rocks with the mountains behind. That came out nice. That's pretty cool. Yeah, I'm glad for that filter on there now. Shooting video. I'm getting overexposed bars on like everything in the snow.
Yeah, same. I can barely even tell what's snow and how deep it is because it's got so many bars on there.
Yeah. Well, it's nice to see snow at all. At least we have it.
Oh, that's a cool.
So that main camera with the 4/3 sensor, so that was quality on the 3, right? But I feel like the other two cameras, the 70 and the 166, are so much better. Like the quality I'm getting out of that is just, it's a big difference.
We've never had it. Neither one of us have ever had it. Well, you may.
No, we had no 70.
We had no 70.
Right.
On my Mini, I didn't have that either.
Right. Yeah, I never bought the Pro of the 3, and so I only had the 166 and then the 22 millimeter, whatever the wide angle one was. Mm-hmm. But yeah, it's so nice. Yep. Battery life has been super impressive. Time to bring it in off that first battery, though, and we'll head up the canyon a little further. See if we can find some snow-covered pine trees and some more winter scenery. I'm dropping down trying to see if I can get the trees through the sun through the trees, but I don't want to hit the ground. How high up am I? 40 feet. I'm going to hit the ground.
Switch to cinematic mode.
Cinematic mode, engage. I always forget to use that. I really should do it more. Oh, there's a nice shot. So I'm using the dark north side over there kind of as a foreground, and then I've got that mountain in the background. Nice. Shoot a little video like that too. So do you use that cinematic mode a lot?
It depends what I'm doing.
I fly in normal so much. I think the only time I really use sport mode is when I'm trying to get out to a location. I do that quite a bit, but then I'm in normal almost all the time. My video would probably look smoother if I actually used the cinematic mode. Oh, it's so pretty out here today. Yep. I am amazed at how much flight time we're getting with these Mavic 4 batteries. I don't know how long we've been up and stuff, but I'm sitting at 68%.
60.
You get a nice shot of the creek here. I like those where you have the dark water kind of running along through the white snow on the banks on either side. So I generally come in and land when I've still got like 50% battery left. Just, for keeping the batteries conditioned and storage and all that. But even getting to 15% is so much flight time. Mm-hmm. So cool. Snow is sure a welcome sight after a year of dry and warm weather. Beautiful afternoon here in Millcreek Canyon. This is the first snow we've had in basically a year, and so everyone is here. It's a Saturday afternoon and parking has been a little challenging. The beauty of flying a drone up here versus snowshoeing or skiing is that we don't have to park at the trailheads. We can just find a spot where there's a place to pull off, and we've been able to see beautiful snow all around, sun filtering through the pine trees, just beautiful scenery. Hopefully, you'll start seeing some shots from this trip soon. You can watch for those on my Instagram account and also on my Flickr feed. Watch for those. And yeah, appreciate you following along. All 6 of you who watch this channel, we're the internet's best kept secret. And we'll keep the beautiful scenery coming. See you next time.